Hey guys, this is Antonio from General Product Review with you again for another product review. Today we have the HDC12. This is a 3-pack by AireCare products. These are your air wicks that go inside humidifiers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 sets on either side of your air wicks, air pullers. I already have one set in. This is a 3-pack right here. They each go into this unit right here. This is the AireCare 1409. I bought 2 years ago. I just checked. It is still available on Amazon. Now, mind you, this went through the 2017 season, 2018 season. The unit is ready to go up to 2,000 square foot of room to humidify it. Now, I recommend, unless you want this thing hitting high, which is extremely loud, to buy a second one. Only estimate about 1,500 square foot of room for this to humidify on level 2. Now they go in. I gotta pick the lid up here. They go into your units as such. So this way you can see 1, 2 over here, and then 3, 4 over there. They wick up the water inside the filters, allow the air to pass through, and deposit the moisture in the air. So this way they come up out of their top vent here and give you the humidity in the air that you're currently lacking, most likely because you have a heater system that just fries every single bit of moisture out of the air. So this way it will prevent you from waking up with bleeding noses, crusted eyes, that horrible dry feeling in the back of the throat. This unit right here will help with, and these are integral to making sure that is clean moisture going into the air. All right, so my review of them, I've been using them obviously for the past 2 years. This will be the 3rd season. You will need to replace these. I believe it's once every 2 months. Definitely once every 2 months, might be every month, depending on usage and how dry your environment is. Now, this year, I have to say, these guys get a knock on my vote. Last year, past 2 years actually, whenever you ordered these, they would actually be boxed individually. So each of these would have their own box. So, and it made it nice, so this way when I go to use this one here next month or two, I don't have to keep this huge box to house this unit in storage. I used to have its own box. That was fabulous. I don't know if it's because of just looking for penny pinching or what the deal is, but I opened this box up to my dismay and saw that there was no internal division for the unit for usage. Oh man, that makes me sad. But overall, I am happy with the units. So if you're thinking about buying this, you will and need to use it for any period of time, you will eventually need replacements. It's cheaper to buy in a 3-pack versus the 1 or the 2. So you do save a little bit of money that way. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Do me a favor, if you got any value out of this, hit the like button below, subscribe for any new notifications videos that I have coming out, and reviews. As it says in the name, is general product review. So if you have a product that you want a good review on to know if it actually works, let me know. Put it down in the comments. I love hearing back from you guys and seeing what you have to say. All right, thank you again. Bye.